Hello all, in this lecture we are going to discuss about another example for the state elimination technique. In this given example, we can eliminate state Q2 alone, right? Because we have to eliminate all states except the start and final state. So we have to eliminate state Q2. So we will be left out with state Q1 and Q3. So by applying the formula R plus SU star T whole to the power star SU star, we can find the regular expression for the given finite automata. But in the previous example, we didn't see any reverse arrow, right? So that we have only one path. If we want to eliminate state B, we need to consider only this path for the predecessor and successor. Okay, but in this example, we have the reverse arrows also, right? So if you want to eliminate state Q2, we have to consider 4 paths. Okay, so first we have to consider Q1, Q2, Q3. The meaning is Q1 is predecessor for Q2 and Q3 is successor. Then we need to consider Q3, Q2, Q1. Okay, so Q3 is predecessor, Q1 is successor. This is second case. In the third case, we have to consider Q1, Q2, Q1. Okay, in the fourth case, Q3, Q2, Q3. Okay, so there are 4 cases. So in the first case, we have to consider the path Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, so what is predecessor here? Q1, successor is Q3 and the eliminating state is Q2. So now we have to write RQSP, right? So what is R? Predecessor to successor. The regular expression from predecessor state to successor state. Okay, so from Q1 to Q3, there is no path. So 5. Then Q. Q means predecessor to eliminating state. So Q1 to Q2, 0. Then S. S means self transition for the Q2. So that is also 5. Then P. Eliminating state to successor state, that is 0. So now we have to write R plus Q S star P. So 5 plus 0, 5 star 0. So 5 plus regular expression is regular expression and 5 star is epsilon. So that we can remove that, right? So 0, 0. So this is a regular expression. We have to place this on the path from Q1 to Q3, right? What is the meaning? If we want to eliminate Q2, we have to draw an edge from Q1 to Q3. From Q1 to Q3, draw an edge and that edge must be labeled by this regular expression. Okay, I am not mentioning start state, final state and all. Just for rough work only we are doing this. Finally, we will combine everything. Okay, then the second case, for the second case, we need to consider Q3, Q2, Q1 path. Q3, Q2, Q1, right? So what is R here? R is, so here Q3 is a predecessor state, Q1 is successor. Okay, so consider this path. So Q3 to Q2, R means Q3 to Q1, right? Predecessor to successor. From Q3 to Q1, there is no arc, direct arc. Okay, so 5. Then Q, predecessor to eliminating state. Q3 to Q2. Okay, so 1. Yes, Q2 to Q2, there is no arc. So 5. Then P. P means eliminating state to successor state. So Q2 to Q1. Q2 to Q1, the arc is 1. Okay, so now we need to, we have to substitute in this formula R plus Q S star P. Right, so 5 plus 1, 5 star 1. So the result is 5 plus regular expression is regular expression. Then 1, 1, right? 5 star is epsilon. So that we have to draw an edge from Q3 to Q1. Okay, Q3 to Q1, or we can write it in the same way. Okay, so first substitute Q1, first draw Q1 and Q3. But we have to draw an edge from Q3 to Q1. Okay, so from Q3 to Q1, draw an edge, and that edge should be labeled by 1 1. Okay, so this is second case. So third cases, we need to consider the path Q1, Q2, Q1. Okay, Q1, Q2, Q1. So here predecessor and successor both are Q1. Okay, so the same formula we have to apply. Okay, so R from Q1 to Q1. Okay, R means Q1 to Q1. So 1. Then Q. Q means predecessor to eliminating state. Q1 to Q2, 0. S. Q2 to Q2. Okay, 5. Then P. Q2 to Q1. Q2 to Q1, that is 1. Okay, so do you understand these notations? R means Q1 to Q1, Q1 to Q2, S, Q2 to Q2, then P, Q2 to Q1. Okay, then we need to substitute all these in this formula. So R plus Q, S star, P. Okay, so 1 plus 5 star is epsilon, so 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. This must be written on the path from Q1 to Q1. Okay, so from Q1 to Q1, draw an edge, that is self transition. It should be labeled by 1 plus 0, 1. Then the final case is Q3, Q2, Q3, right? So consider the path Q3, Q2, Q3. So both predecessor and successor states are Q3. Okay, so here R is Q3 to Q3. So 0. Then Q3 to Q2, it is 1. Then S, Q2 to Q2, 5. Then P, Q2 to Q3, 0. So 0 plus QA star P. 1, 5 star P equals 0 plus 1, 0, right? So we have to draw an edge from Q3 to Q3, Q3 to Q3, and that edge should be labeled by 0 plus 1, 0. Now we need to combine all these cases, all these 4 cases. So we will get the transition diagram with the 2 states. Okay, we will have, after eliminating Q2, we will be left out with 2 state finite automaton. Okay, so Q1 is a start state and Q3 is a final state. Okay, so now we have to draw all the edges by combining all the 4 cases. So first case, we got the path from Q1 to Q3 and the regular expression is 0, 0. And in the second case, we got Q3 to Q1, the arc is labeled by 1, 1. In the third path, third case, we get Q1 to Q1, 1 plus 0, 1. In the fourth case, Q3 to Q3, 0 plus 1, 0. Okay, so we left out with 2 states. Okay, so 2 state finite automaton means what is the formula for finding regular expression? R plus S U star T whole to the power star S U star, right? So R means the self transition, this one, 1 plus 0, 1, then S 0, 0, U 0 plus 1, 0, T 1, 1, right? R S U T. Okay, R S U T. So now we need to substitute all these notations in the formula. R plus S U star T whole star S U star. Okay, so 1 plus 0, 1 plus S 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 0 star T. T means 1, 1, the whole star, S 0, 0, U star. So 0 plus 1, 0 star. So this is the regular expression equivalent to the given DFA. Thank you.